In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your chat history in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to view every conversation you've had in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Grok AI into the search bar. In the results, choose the official Grok AI website to go straight to the homepage. This is the quickest, most reliable way to land on the correct site if you don't have it bookmarked yet. Once you're on the Grok AI site, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. Just above the profile icon, you'll see an expand sidebar icon. Go ahead and click that. If the sidebar is already open on your screen, you're all set and can continue. Expanding this panel simply reveals the main navigation so you can find features that might be hidden on smaller screens or at narrower window sizes. With the sidebar visible, locate the section labeled History. Click on it to open the History dropdown. This reveals a quick peek of your recent conversations, which is handy for jumping back into something you were just working on. If you want a fuller view, select the option that says See All. This takes you to a dedicated page where your conversations are listed more comprehensively. It's a better layout if you're looking for something specific or you want to browse through older chats without scrolling through a tiny preview. On the history page, look for the control labeled Show All and click it. This removes any default filters and ensures you're seeing the entire set of conversations, not just a subset. Think of it as expanding the lens so you don't miss anything. From here, you can scan by date, skim titles, and quickly recognize the thread you need. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the sidebar icon, try maximizing your browser window so the layout adjusts. If the history section looks empty, double check that you're signed into the correct account you use with Grok AI. And if your list is long, the See All page is the best place to search, sort, or filter so you can get to the right chat faster. That's all there is to it. Search for Grok AI, open the site, expand the sidebar, open history, choose See All, and then click Show All for the complete view. Pause the video if you want to follow along in real time, and once you're done, you'll always know exactly where your chat history lives.